Welcome back to the channel Cars and Bikes World. Today we are exploring about the most searchable and luxurious scooter 2025 model. The Piaggio Vespa 2025 model continues the legacy of Italian craftsmanship with a blend of timeless design, modern technology, and improved performance. This scooter remains an icon in the urban mobility sector, catering to riders who seek style, comfort, and practicality. The 2025 Vespa comes in multiple variants, including the Primavera, Sprint, and GTS models, each designed for different riding preferences. The latest update brings a refined aesthetic with new color options, enhanced ergonomics, and smart connectivity features, making it an even more appealing choice for city commuters and enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, the 2025 Vespa is powered by a reliable I-Get, Italian Green Experience technology, engine, available in 50cc, 125cc, and 150cc configurations for the smaller models and 300cc HPE, high-performance engine, for the GTS series. These engines are optimized for fuel efficiency, smooth power delivery, and reduced emissions, complying with the latest Euro 5+ emission standards. The automatic CVT transmission ensures effortless riding, while the electronic fuel injection system enhances throttle response and overall performance. The design philosophy of the new Vespa remains true to its heritage, featuring the signature steel monocoque frame that offers durability and stability. The updated LED lighting system improves visibility, with a redesigned headlamp, tail light, and turn signals that add a modern touch. The new instrument cluster combines analog and digital elements, providing real-time information on speed, fuel level, trip meter, and smartphone connectivity through the Vespa Mia system. This Bluetooth-enabled feature allows riders to sync their phones for call alerts, navigation assistance, and music control, making urban commuting more convenient. Comfort and practicality are key highlights of the 2025 Vespa. The ergonomically designed seat is crafted for long-distance comfort, with premium materials and an optimized height for easy reach. The under-seat storage compartment is spacious enough to fit a full-face helmet, while additional front storage compartments offer extra space for personal items. A USB charging port is now standard, allowing riders to charge their devices on the go. The inclusion of a keyless start system in select models enhances security and convenience, eliminating the need for a physical key. When it comes to handling, the Vespa 2025 features enhanced suspension with a single-sided front fork and dual rear shock absorbers, ensuring a smooth ride even on uneven urban roads. The larger 12-inch alloy wheels provide stability and better grip, while the tubeless tires reduce the risk of sudden punctures. The braking system includes a front disc brake with ABS, anti-lock braking system, in the smaller models, and a dual disc setup with ASR, anti-slip regulation, in the GTS 300, delivering superior stopping power and traction control. Fuel efficiency remains a strong point, with the 125cc and 150cc models offering over 40 km/L, making the Vespa one of the most economical scooters in its class. The 9-litre fuel tank ensures fewer refueling stops, ideal for daily commutes. With the introduction of a hybrid electric variant, Vespa is embracing the future of mobility, combining a small gasoline engine with an electric motor for reduced emissions and improved efficiency. The Vespa 2025 is available in a range of vibrant colors, including classic shades like Rosso Passion, Red, Verde Relax, Green, Giallo Soul, Yellow, and deep metallic tones for a more premium appeal. Customization options like chrome accessories, rear racks, and windshields allow riders to personalize their scooter to suit their style. Overall, The Piaggio Vespa 2025 is a perfect combination of tradition and innovation, offering a premium urban riding experience with advanced features, a stylish design, and eco-friendly technology. It remains one of the most desirable scooters for those who appreciate elegance, performance, and practicality in a two-wheeler.